Good morning, students. As some of the students have requested to show some more good samples and craft ideas, I am here to display some of it. CBSE wants all the students to prepare the projects for English, Hindi, Maths, and EVS for all primary classes related to MP, Manipur, and Nagaland. Every class will decide their own topic and work on it. Basically, it should involve a lot of creative paper artwork. So, display your content in a very creative way. Here is a beautiful and awesome project prepared by Methali. She has used nice color combination and contrast. Wonderful! That's really amazing. Oh, what an wonderful artwork. Beautiful, beautiful presentation. Every page is having surprising effects. Good. It looks pretty, no? Oh, wonderful. Oh, so nice it is. Color combination is too good. Beautiful. She is explaining the project and writing it also so well. Every page is full of surprises. Oh, very neat work. Good combination. Oh, give a clap for that. So pretty flowers. Very well done, Mithali. And now this is a project prepared by Janya. Janya also has done it very beautifully, described it well, used nice colors. Yes, awesome presentation. Nice color combination, vibrant colors. Good. Oh, this seems to be a magic book. It's opening and opening with new surprises on each page. She has briefed it all very well. Good picture and written work. Beautiful. They have put their heart and soul into the project work. It shows the hard work and interest with which they have worked. Oh, this is again very beautiful. Wow, see the tribes. She's showing the tribes of this place. All done in a very artistic way. Clap for her. So, the students of class 5, you have to prepare the project on special food of MP, Manipur and Nagaland. For English, you have to write this worksheet in a very creative and artistic way. And for activity, you were all supposed to make salads and take a pic and paste it in your projects. So, all of you have participated in the salad activity very well. For Hindi project, you have to write the recipes of food of MP, Manipur and Nagaland. In EVS, you have to do the staple food of MP, Manipur and Nagaland. And for maths, the nutritional value of food had to be done. Now here I have with me Adyant Bharadwaj, who will explain his project to all of us.
This is the project of mathematics art integrated project. This is the food pyramid. 5% fat, oil and sugar, 20% meat and eggs, 35% fruits and vegetables, and 40% bread and cereals. This is the food cycle. These are the fruits and vegetables. These are the lean proteins and dairy. And these are carbohydrates.
Thank you, Adyant. You have worked really hard and have done your project very well. Now I have a beautiful project to show you, and that is prepared by Jayesh. He also has worked very hard on his project. He has used nice vibrant colors and done his project in a very neat way. Beautiful colors. Yes, beautiful. This work is awesome. Nice color combination. Clap for him and appreciate his beautiful work. He has put his heart and soul into the project. I am happy, students, you have actively participated in making these projects. And those who have not submitted, kindly hurry and submit your project soon. And now all of you start preparing for your final exam. Study daily with me, English, Social Studies, GK and Values. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
You're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they apologize.